Hi friends, today I have got 20 daily useful sentences you can use every day. Let's get started. When you want to ask the bus arrival, what time does the bus arrive? What time does the bus arrive? If you are excited about new work, I am really looking forward to this project. I am really looking forward to this project. When you want to ask for directions, could you tell me the way to the station? Could you tell me the way to the station? If you are happy about the result, I am glad it turned out well. I am glad it turned out well. When you want to check movie tickets or tickets available for tonight's show or tickets available for tonight's show. If you want to compliment food, this tastes delicious. This tastes delicious. When you are asking for permission, can I sit here? Can I sit here? If you are promising to meet, I will see you at 6 p.m. sharp. I will see you at 6 p.m. sharp. When you ask about someone's weekend, how was your weekend? How was your weekend? If you are giving a suggestion, you should try this. It's amazing. You should try this. It's amazing. When you ask for someone's opinion, what do you think about this idea? What do you think about this idea? If you are politely declining, sorry, I can't make it today. Sorry, I can't make it today. When you ask about the price, how much does this cost? How much does this cost? If you are expressing relief, that's a big relief. That's a big relief. When you ask if the place is open, is this shop open now? Is this shop open now? If you are giving assurance, don't worry, everything will be fine. Don't worry, everything will be fine. When you ask for help, could you help me with this? Could you help me with this? If you are showing agreement, yes, I completely agree with you. Yes, I completely agree with you. When you ask about the next train, when is the next train? When is the next train? If you are ending politely, have a nice day. Have a nice day. Great job, friends. Now this is your homework time. Please put the answers comment below. If you like the video, please subscribe now.